Why your first $10,000 changes everything, more than you think. It's 3:07 a.m. You're awake, not because of noise, not because of caffeine, because your brain just hit financial panic mode. Your car makes a weird sound yesterday. Your laptop battery has been acting strange. Your job feels unstable. And your mind starts running disaster simulations like a broken computer. What if something goes wrong tomorrow? What if I can't afford it? If that feels familiar, listen closely, because there's a specific amount of money that can almost completely shut off this kind of anxiety. And no, it's not $1 million. It's not $100,000. It's $10,000. Today, I'm going to explain why this single number changes how you think, how you decide, how you sleep, and how you live. And once you understand it, you'll never look at saving money the same way again. Why life feels so hard without a safety net. When you have little or no savings, life feels like a tightrope. Every purchase requires mental math. Every invitation needs an excuse. Every surprise expense feels like a threat. At the grocery store, you debate cereal brands. When friends suggest eating out, you hesitate. When something breaks, your stomach drops. You're not bad with money. You're not lazy. You're just living in survival mode. And survival mode rewires your brain. Instead of thinking about growth, opportunity, or the future, your mind is stuck asking one question. How do I make it to the next paycheck? What actually happens when you hit $10,000? Here's the surprising part. Most people who reach $10,000 don't buy anything flashy. They don't suddenly upgrade their lifestyle. But everything still changes. Why? Because your relationship with risk changes. When you have no savings, every decision feels dangerous. A job change? Terrifying. A course that costs money? Impossible. Taking time off? Unthinkable. But with $10,000 in the bank, those same decisions feel manageable. You don't become reckless. You become calm. And calm people make better decisions. Your body literally feels different. This isn't motivational talk, it's biology. Financial insecurity keeps your stress hormones high. That's why money stress affects your sleep, focus, patience, and health. But when you see 5 figures in your account, something clicks. That constant background fear? It quiets down. A check engine light goes from panic to annoyance. A medical bill goes from crisis to problem solving. That emotional shift from fear to control is massive. The emergency fund effect that nobody explains properly. Here's the secret most people miss. The power of $10,000 isn't in using it. It's in knowing it's there. Most people never spend their emergency fund on emergencies. They spend it on better opportunities, education, relocation, career moves, peace of mind. It gives you mental bandwidth. When you're not worried about survival, you can finally think long-term. Confidence is the hidden dividend. When you have savings, you show up differently. You negotiate instead of begging. You walk away from bad deals. You don't tolerate toxic jobs as easily. That confidence changes how people treat you. And ironically, that confidence often leads to more money. The identity shift that changes everything. Saving $10,000 isn't about discipline. It's about identity. Most people treat saving like a punishment. They sprint, burn out, and quit. But successful savers don't try to save. They become someone who saves. And once that identity forms, the second $1,000 is easier. The fifth feels automatic. The 10th feels inevitable. The habits compound. Why $10,000 is the real safety threshold. Here's the math. Most financial disasters cost less than $10,000. Car repairs, medical bills, emergency travel, short-term job loss. Once you hit this number, you're protected from most life chaos. You stop living one problem away from collapse. Opportunity starts appearing. Without savings, you skip opportunities. You avoid risks. You play defense. With savings, you invest in skills. You attend events. You say yes to growth. That's why people with savings often progress faster, even if they earn less. Decision fatigue disappears. When money is tight, every small choice drains you. With $10,000 saved, most daily money decisions vanish. You choose based on preference, not panic. And that mental freedom is life-changing. This won't make you rich, but it changes your trajectory. $10,000 won't buy freedom forever, but it gives you breathing room. And breathing room is where smart decisions are born. If $10,000 feels impossible, start smaller. No one starts at $10,000. They start at $25, $50, $100. Consistency beats intensity. The goal isn't the number. The goal is becoming the type of person who keeps money instead of leaking it. Final thought. Your first $10,000 doesn't change your lifestyle. It changes you, your confidence, your thinking, your options. And once that shift happens, bigger goals stop feeling unrealistic. They start feeling inevitable. If this helped you see money differently, hit subscribe. And remember, the person you become while saving your first $10,000 is worth more than the money itself.